How to turn on likes notifications on TikTok. Hello guys, how it's going? Today we'll show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First you will open your TikTok application, then you will go down to profile. Then on profile guys, go to this three line here, open this three line, then go to settings and privacy. After this settings and privacy guys, go to notification. You will find a lot of options. You will go to likes as you see here, and you will turn on this option by clicking here in this place and make it look like this in blue color. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.